Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add funds on your Steam account. What you're going to do first is open Steam. Once you got that open, you're going to go on the top right corner. You're going to press on this icon, your account, and then you're going to press on account detail, the second option. Once you've pressed that, you're going to go here and see this. When you see this, add funds to your Steam wallet, you're going to press on that. And then you can go ahead and choose how much you want to put in. For example, I want to put in $10. This is also the same way to redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. So you're going to press on this. You can use PayPal, or you can choose which method you want to pay in. Visa, PayPal, MasterCard, or any of these options. Then you press continue, then you do your thing. Thank you guys for watching.